Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lot of iPhone users are reporting that they could not download the apps from App Store. It says there is a billing problem with the previous purchase. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this problem on iPhone and iPad. So let's get started. So friends, first and basic method is change your country and region. To do this, open Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Now tap on Media and Purchases. Then tap on View Account. Now wait for a few seconds to open the page. After that, click on Country Region. Click on Change Country or Region. Now swipe down and select the country where you live. Now accept Apple's terms and condition. Click on Agree. Then click on Agree to confirm. Here select your payment method to none. Then fill your billing name and billing address. Enter your city, town. Then select your state. After that, enter your postcode. Double 10001. This one is New Delhi postcode. Now enter your phone number. After that, click on Next button. Click on Done button. Now go back to App Store and try to re-download the app.